Welcome to Sustainability Marketing, Lecture 5. We will go on discussing the values and objectives of sustainability marketing. Here in the second episode, I will introduce you to a sustainability marketing challenge, American Apparel, a case study of sustainability marketing where you see the problems of a proposition between ecological, social value and the customer value and how they are interlinked. The main learning objective is to discuss and reflect the ambiguities of brand ethos. The episode is structured as follows. First, I will start with a style, that is, the company American Apparel. Then, the substance, the social and environmental responsibilities of American Apparel. And finally, sex, the sexually charged advertising of the company. Let's start with the style, the company itself. It was founded in the 1990s by Dov Charney. He is Canadian, born in Montreal, and he is the founder of American Apparel. American Apparel offers basic apparels, including cotton t-shirts, underwears, pants, and so on and so forth. During the last couple of years, they extended the product line to a large extent. So nowadays they offer products, textiles, both for men and women, for kids as well as babies. They have textiles as well as accessoires, beauty and grooming, eyewear, watches, leather, and so on and so forth. So you can see they are rather successful extending their assortment. The company is based in Los Angeles downtown. Ever since 2000, they have moved there. If you click on the website, it's really neat. You can really explore their factory. So if you click at the factory itself, you can see, for example, on the third floor, the sewing, but they also design, they knit, they cut, they photograph, they advertise and market everything in Los Angeles downtown at this factory. Since 2003, they have already started to open up retail stores. First in North America and Canada, and lately all over the world. So this is the company itself. Why are they unique? What is special about the company? Well, many apparel companies have a different business model. They produce apparels for an inexpensive or cheap way in different countries of the world, including South Africa, China, Taiwan, and so on and so forth. And then they transported it to, let's say, North America. So they have a global business model depending on cheap labor in third world countries or emerging countries. The business model of American Apparel is different. Everything is integrated in Los Angeles downtown. So most activities, the core activities, are conducted in Los Angeles downtown, including the designing, the knitting, the sewing, the cutting, and so on of the textiles and apparels. That's why they claim that American Apparel is made in the USA. It's sweatshop free. That's American Apparel. And their workers are also supposed to get the highest wages in the industry. They get, on average, $12 per hour, and they have a lot of benefits, social benefits, including buses which take them from home to the factory and back, including a safe working place, including English classes for free, and so on and so forth. So it's just the opposite to the business models of many other manufacturers. But they go beyond that, and they take their corporate responsibility seriously. So in the last couple of years, they gave away a lot of apparels and textiles to people in need. They also started a couple of environmental initiatives. So for example, they have some solar panels on the roof of the factory. They use renewable energies, and they recycle wastes in the production line. On the one hand, that is ecological, but on the other hand, it also it makes a lot of sense from an economic point of view. They also introduced a sustainable addition, which are organic cotton products, organic style. And they are politically very active, something we will discuss in Sustainability Marketing Transformations in Chapter 11. Here you see a campaign, Legalize Los Angeles, started by American Apparel a couple of years ago. Imagine in Los Angeles you have a lot of illegal immigrants coming from the Mexican border. And they want to change the status of the illegal immigrants, so they don't have to hide, but they want them to be citizens of the United States and to legalize their status. So again, they are very much in favor of their workers. So this is the substance, the core values of the company, and how they take social and environmental responsibilities. Let's have a look at the advertising. Often it is sexually charged. Here you see the advertising. Here you see a print advertising. Often they use employees for their advertising. Here you see a woman which is half naked, and halfway you actually also see a jeans. Here's another print advertising from an employee. She took 2 photos and submitted it to the company. And later on, they showed it on print, claiming you can be a star. Again, it's very sexually charged. That's one of the claims they had, that they use their own friends, relatives, and employees in advertising as part of their vertical integration model. Lately, they also started featuring porn actresses. This is Lauren Phoenix claiming that it is safe to say she loves her socks. Also, let's have a look at the commercials, at the television advertising. Have a look at this. So here are the discussion questions. First, what are the sustainability marketing values of American Apparel? Are they credible and reflected in the corporate brand? Second, what do you think of a sexually charged advertising of American Apparel? Do they enhance or endanger the brand ethos of American Apparel? And finally, here are the references, pages 133 to 135 of our textbook. and the books by Andrew Grain and Grain and Matten. Thank you very much, and bye for now.